Have you heard the expression, it's not what you know, it's who you know? Well, that expression still rings true today. Networking remains the number one job related search method that people can use to find the jobs of their dreams, to find the right people who can help you connect the dots. Hi, this is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach, and today's transition tip is networking. Part one. It's not what you know, it's who you know. I got three things I'd like to share with you today. First of all, what is networking? Well, networking, I could talk about this endlessly because I firmly believe it is a key to everyone's future professionally. It's how we build businesses. It's how we connect with people that can introduce us to people we never even dreamed of. And quite frankly, 60 to 80% of jobs are found through a network, which means only 20%, 25% of jobs are posted on the internet. So yes, 60 to 80% of jobs are found through a network. What does that tell you? Well, I hope it says, I better examine my network. Networking is everything. Companies are using their employees to share their information. In today's environment, it costs on average of $15,000 to hire one person. So companies have found out that their employees can do a better job of announcing the job or letting people aware of it. So if you're not working, if you're not networking, well, I don't think you're working. And I say that professionally because that's the key to your future. Every person you know is a potential part of your network. Yes, every person you know can be part of your network. So the second thing I would leave with you, what does your network look like? Right now, today, I would challenge you to sit down and list the people that you would find or that you would include in your network. Now, you might want to get an Excel spreadsheet out, jot down their names or record their names, their contact information, and then be deliberate on reaching out to them, deepening that relationship. You never know when you can call on your network, and you never know when they can call on you, because networking is about reciprocating. And the third thing I want to share with you about networking is don't forget to use social media. Now, there's a lot to this one, but social media, depending upon the platforms you gravitate to it, and I would highly recommend LinkedIn. You can research companies, you can connect with people via the platform, and you can also do so much relating to connecting with people that you never dreamed of connecting before. So, number one, networking. People can help you connect the dots. Number two, identify your network today and start reaching out to them. And three, don't forget to utilize social media. On my next podcast, or on my next video, it might make it a podcast. On my next video, I'm going to talk to you about 3 ways to build your network via social media. Always remember, you don't have to travel alone. Reach out. I can help. This is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach.